guys, welcome back to the beauty room for an update on our house. So we are now at the stage of moving in, but we still have a lot of renovations to do, but we're at least to a point where it's habitable, so we can start moving our things in. So I just wanted to give you an update on our house and where it is, because I know you're curious. So I'm just going to give you a little tour and show you around the house and show you the updates. And if I can, I'll post some before and after pictures within the video so you can kind of see what the house looked like before and what some of the rooms looked like before and what they actually look like now. So here we go. Let's go for this tour. Alright guys, so when you first enter the house is what you kind of see. We're at the entrance of the home. If you hear some buzzing, don't mind it. It's just some bugs. We're out in the woods and they just get right in the house. But hey, we live in the woods. What do you expect? This first room that we're coming up upon is the kids' playroom. It kind of looks the same as the last time I showed you. It's got a paint on the wall still. We still have to do some flooring. The kids kind of sit in here and they kind of play. But this is going to be their playroom. So we're kind of getting them adjusted to playing in this room. So we still have to do some floorboards in there. As you walk in here, this is the kitchen. A major update from the last time you saw it. We went ahead and painted the cabinets, we painted the walls, and we've also changed the countertops, so it's starting to look really nice in here. We still have to paint this area, our nook area, and get some seating in here because this is where we'll eat breakfast every day and lunch and dinners here as a family. As you can also see, we tore out this wall here. So we have some plans for that, so you can kind of see into the living room. As you keep walking this way, you'll go into the laundry room. And we have made some changes in here as well. As you can see, there is now fresh paint on the walls. And we have taken some cabinets down. There were a couple cabinets that were up here that we took down to make more room for our washer and dryer to come. So this is pretty much ready. We just have to do the tiles on the floors and kind of clear it out and clean it up and everything. And we're going to do some clearing up of this sink, but for the most part it has made a transformation as well. We also have to paint that door there and get it painted, but it's looking better. It's looking better. We're getting there, making progress. As you walk this way, we still have the half bath. I'll show you the half bath. The half bath looks the same. We haven't even gotten to it yet. It's still a work in progress, a lot of work. Previous owner had a dog, he kind of scratched it up. So as you walk this way, you see this wall I was talking about that we tore out. This wall, so from the kitchen you can actually look into the living room, and I think it looks a lot better that way. So my husband's going to take down the rest of these boards and make this a nice open entrance and kind of make it mimic some of these other entrances, such as this one. And also when you walk from the laundry room, you can literally walk straight through. You'll be able to walk straight through here as opposed to coming over to the left and then having to walk through. So when you come in here, this is our living room. And you can see we're still doing some paint projects in here. We've got some bookcases that are going into the master closet. And they are ready to be put in there. They're just really heavy. So I have to get some man help from my husband to help lift those. But as you can see, I don't know if you can tell or not, but there is paint on the walls in here. We do want the really, really light gray. The solarium is all cleaned out. The kids kind of play in there sometimes though, but you can see the solarium is all clean as well. You just have to remove that carpeting. But there is a light gray paint on these walls as well. It's just kind of difficult to see. As you walk this way, you'll go into our dining room. So this is like our formal dining room that we're gonna have. And of course there's fresh paint on here and all the boards are done. So my husband did an amazing job doing that. You can see we went with like a dark blue in this room. I call it Fine China Blue. That's the name of it. I love it. And it looks really good in here. You can kind of see the skylight today. It's a nice sunny, hot 82-degree day. So you can see the sunlight really, really well. So now we're back to the front entrance and I'm going to take you down our hallway. So as you walk down the hallway, you can see we're still doing work. Here's our office. It is completely done. It's just kind of holding some things in here right now. It's kind of difficult to see. There you go. There's our office. Floorboards are all done. It's just holding some things for us till we finish. Our bathroom is getting close to being done. Get the lights on for you. Well, we need a light fixture in here, so it's kind of hard to see in here. But we have fresh paint on the walls in this bathroom. We have our mirrors waiting to be put up. We have to get our light fixture up. That's why there's no lighting in here. It's really dark. So I'll show you that, I guess, better on another day. Here's our kids' room. It's done. I'm gonna start sanitizing in here. So it looks really good. I let air out yesterday and I kind of swept all the floors so it's nice and clean. And then I'm gonna do a nice sanitizing mop on the floors and sanitizing wipe all around the room for the kids. So we can start getting their beds up and getting their room ready when we move in. And then here is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. We went with like a really kind of bluish greeny kind of color on the walls here, so you can kind of see. These chairs are going to be our furniture, and then I'm going to move them over here once our bedding comes in, because our bed will actually be right here. So those are in here for now. And then as you walk this way is the master closet. So yesterday I played in here and I did some arranging, and I have gotten some things. Let me give you a better view. So I kind of played in here yesterday, setting up some things and kind of getting it to kind of look close to how I want it to be. It's nowhere near done, and of course we have our tub in here, which is not going to stay. We're going to remove that. It goes into the master bathroom, which is still under construction. But I played in here yesterday and kind of set up a couple things, and kind of put all of the pieces together, put those IKEA doors together yesterday, and we got those bookcases up, and I just moved everything and put it into the location where I'd like it to be. So that's kind of a sneak peek of where it is right now and what it's kind of going to look like when we're finished. And so that kind of concludes the tour of the house and gives you an update. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. This is kind of an update of where we are right now. We are currently moving in slowly, so pray for us. It's been a process, but we're really grateful for this house. We really love it. We enjoy the location. Our kids love it. They have so much land to play on and run around and scream and be boys. So they're having a great time. So we're going to slowly just be moving things in. I'll try to continue to give you updates. It's kind of hard since we're so busy. And let me fix this chain situation. What is going on? I love these two chain things, but they always get twisted, and I can't stand it when it gets like that. 1 minute. Okay. So that concludes our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. We are slowly moving in. We're making some slow progress. So now you can kind of get an update of where the house is right now and kind of get a sneak peek of what the rooms are going to look like. I'll try to continue showing you as we move in each room and its process and the decorating process and things like that, because I have a lot of decorating to do, which I'm excited to do because it's all in my head and I just have to get it out, you know, and make it tangible, make it visible so it can be real and not just in my head with me trying to explain to people and people not understanding. So I'm so excited that we've made it this far. We're really grateful for this house. We really love it. The kids love it. They love playing out here in the woods, and the boys love running in the woods and playing in the dirt and things like that. So it's a really great house for us, and it's going to be an amazing move. But it's been keeping us busy and really occupying a lot of my time. Yeah. That's where I've been. So if I haven't been on YouTube, when I'm not on YouTube, this is what I'm doing. I'm taking care of my kids, and we're moving into this house, and we're doing a lot of projects here. So I hope this kind of gives you an update and shows you what I've been doing and what's going on and what I'm up to. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll continue to show you more updates on the house and like just decorating things and things like that as we progress and as we continue decorating and setting things up. So if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more home updates. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share to your friends, and subscribe. Bye-bye.